Someone bribed your AI assistant, and it doesn't even know it happened. I know that sounds like science fiction, but I'm going to show you right now that this is completely real. Documented by security researchers, tested against production AI systems, and actively happening to companies in 2026. This is part 1 of a 5-part series on one of the most dangerous and least understood cybersecurity threats of the year, AI agent memory poisoning. Let's start with a story. Imagine you hire a new assistant, smart, fast, and reliable. You spend several weeks training them. They learn your preferences, your working style, your suppliers, your vendors. They know which payment accounts belong to which companies. They handle everything smoothly and have never made a single mistake. And then one day, 3 weeks from now, not today, they quietly redirect a payment worth $50,000 to a bank account you have never heard of in your life. You investigate. You check every log, every system, every email inbox. Nothing suspicious anywhere. No phishing email was clicked. No password was stolen. No hacker broke through your firewall. Your assistant just did it because someone told them to 3 weeks ago, while nobody was watching, without triggering a single security alert. And here is the part that should genuinely stop. Your assistant doesn't even know they were compromised. They believe with complete confidence they are doing exactly the right thing. They would stake their reputation on it, because as far as they are concerned, they followed a completely legitimate instruction from inside your own organization. This is not science fiction. This is a documented, researched, and tested attack class called AI agent memory poisoning, formally classified by OWASP, the Open Web Application Security Project, the global authority on application security, as one of the top 10 threats to agentic AI systems in 2026. Security researchers ran controlled tests against real AI systems running in real organizations and achieved over 95% success rates. 95%. And almost nobody on YouTube is talking about it. Let's start with the foundation. What is an AI agent? And what makes it fundamentally different from the chatbot you might already use every single day? Most people think of AI as a back-and-forth conversation. You type a message, the AI responds. When you close the window, everything resets. An AI agent is something completely different, where a chatbot answers questions. An AI agent takes actions. You give it a goal, and it goes out into your world, your systems, your email, the internet, your databases, and does real things. It books meetings. It processes payments. It reads and replies to emails. It updates records. It files documents. It browses websites. It can even coordinate with other AI agents to complete complex multi-day tasks. And here is the single most critical detail in this entire 5-part series: AI agents have persistent memory. They remember what they did yesterday. They remember your approved vendors. They remember your company policies. They remember instructions given to them weeks ago. That memory is what makes them powerful enough to run autonomously across multiple sessions. That memory is also their greatest and most dangerous vulnerability. In part 2, I will show you exactly how attackers get inside that memory and why it leaves absolutely no trace. Subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss it when it drops.